Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about very interesting planet. A planet of lot of knowledge, learning, making money, and business transactions. If you have a placement, if you have a well placement of that planet in your birth chart, you will become a very good businessman. You will be an educated person. The planet name is Mercury. If Mercury is exalted in Virgo or on sign in Gemini in your birth chart, and if Mercury is a great friendly relation with your ascendant lord, you will be sky high and top in your life during Mercury Mahadasha. Today I am going to talk about Mercury entering Aquarius and retrograde in Aquarius and Capricorn from 25th of Jan 2021. Mercury enter in Aquarius sign. 30th Jan 2021, Mercury retrograde motion start in Aquarius. 4th February 2021, Mercury enter in Capricorn in retrograde direction. Till 21st of February 2021, Mercury will be retrograde in Capricorn. From 21st of February 2021 to 11th of March 2021, Mercury direct in Capricorn. On 11th of March 2021, Mercury again enter in Aquarius. So now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendants. Cancer Ascendants, Mercury is not your ruling planet. Being a lord of your 12th house and your 3rd house, transit in your 8th house from 5th of January 2021 and create a Vipareet Raj Yoga. If you have a Mercury Mahadasha or Antardasha, you need to be careful because 30th January 2021, Mercury will be retrograde in 8th house. And then 4th of February 2021, Mercury entered in your 7th house with Jupiter, Saturn and Venus. 4 major planet conjunction in your 7th house. And Mercury is retrograde. If you are unmarried, you may meet someone and there is strong chances for your marriage. But you need to be careful about your life partner, about your new marriage. If you are willing for second marriage, then this is the right time. From 25th of January 2021 to 4th of February 2021, you may get new marriage proposal, but you need to be careful about your health. This is not very productive transit for you because Mercury is not a beneficiary planet for your ascendants. Cancer, you need to perform your best in your marital life. If you are already married, you need to talk nicely with your wife or husband. Don't show your ego attitude. Don't use any rash word. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. If you have a business partner, you need to be in a polite talks with your business partner as well. Because 7th house, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Mercury, retrograde. You need to be careful and alert. Don't start any new business deal during retrograde of the Mercury. Don't go for the marriage from the 30th January 2021 to 21st of February 2021. If you plan for marriage, then please delay. You may go for the marriage after 21st of February 2021. You may meet someone, you may like someone, someone may enter in your life, but this is not a fruitful time to long-lasting relationship. Don't start anything new during Mercury transit, retrogression of the Mercury from 30th January 2021 to 21st of Feb 2021. This time you will face lot of criticism against you. This time you will face lot of up and down in your professional life. Don't try to switch off your job. Try to give respect to your seniors. Try to perform your best at your workplace. Give some respect to your siblings. Give some respect to your spouse. Otherwise you will be a part of any problem. You are not feeling happy, you are not feeling comfortable because retrograde Mercury aspecting is on your 1st house. You will feel very negative energy. You are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling insecurity about your finances, or about your earning, about your job or business. During this transit from 30th January 2021 to 21st of February 2021, you will be a part of any problem. Don't show your trust on strangers. Don't be a friend. Don't try to start a new friendship during this period. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't buy any vehicle. Don't start any business partnership from 30th January 2021 to 21st of Feb 2021. This is not a good transit for you, Cancer. You will be in a deep stress or tension if you have a Mercury Mahadasha or Antardasha. If you don't have Mercury Mahadasha or Antardasha, then you will face 30 to 40% stress, 30 to 40% problem at your workplace. Always use respectful words in front of your spouse. Show your love. Give some gift as a token of love to your spouse. Don't use any bad words. Don't abuse anyone. Mercury represents your language, your way of talking. In 7th house, you will create magic with your good speaking skills. You just need to perform your best. Be a part of a good company of your friend. Try to be humble. After 21st of Feb 2021 to 11th of March 2021, Mercury transit in direct motion in your 7th house with Jupiter, Saturn. Your whole game will be changed. You are feeling much relaxed and positive. A lot of new business opportunities will knock you. There is a strong chances you will start something new, which will be a biggest game changer for you. From 21st of February 2021 to 11th March 2021, you may start anything new. You will get a lot of success. Your hard work convert in a great success, because 7th house direct Mercury is a very comfortable, because in Kalpurus chart 7th house linked with Venus, and Venus and Mercury is a great friend. Cancer, but you need to be careful while talking and dealing with your spouse or your loved one. After 21st of February 2021 to 11th of March 2021, you are feeling much relaxed and comfort related to your source of earning will develop. Some long distance journeys are there. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Your spouse will support you, or you may support your spouse. There is strong chances some new business partner will enter in your life. After 21st of February 2021 to 11th March 2021, you may start anything new. You may invest your money in stock market or any type of trading business. You will be blessed with a lot of success. Just need to perform your best and wait for the right time, Cancer. After 21st of February 2021 to 11th of March 2021, you will be in a better position. Thank you for watching my video. I am praying for your successful life and happiness. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.